Let me start with a simple example. Imagine two people. Both earn $7,000 per month. After 10 years, one has built a strong investment portfolio, owns valuable assets, and enjoys financial peace of mind. The other is living paycheck to paycheck with little or no savings. The surprising part? They earned almost the same income. The difference wasn't how much they made, it was the financial decisions they made every single day. If you're earning a good salary but still struggling to save money, this video is for you. Today, we'll talk about 7 financial mistakes that slowly destroy your wealth. And make sure you stay until the end, because the last mistake is one of the most dangerous. 1. Upgrading your lifestyle every time your income increases. A salary raise feels exciting, so you buy the latest phone, upgrade your car, wear more expensive clothes, and spend more on weekends. Your income goes up, but your savings stay exactly the same. This is called lifestyle inflation. Wealthy people usually increase their investments first and upgrade their lifestyle later. If every raise turns into higher expenses, you'll never build real wealth. 2. Not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. A medical emergency, an unexpected job loss, or a family crisis. One unexpected event can completely disrupt your financial plan. That's why every person should build an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It acts as a financial safety net when life doesn't go as planned. 3. Saving money but never investing. Saving money is important, but simply leaving cash in a bank account isn't enough. Over time, inflation reduces your purchasing power. That means your money gradually loses value. Saving protects your money. Investing helps it grow. A healthy financial plan always includes both. 4. Misusing credit cards. Credit cards are not the problem. Poor financial habits are. If you don't pay your full balance every month, high interest charges can quickly consume your income. A credit card should be treated as a payment tool, not free money. Use it responsibly and always pay the bill on time. 5. Ignoring financial education. Most people spend hours researching before buying a smartphone, but many invest their money without understanding where it's going. That's a costly mistake. Financial knowledge is one of the best investments you can make. The more you learn about budgeting, investing, taxes, and personal finance, the better your financial decisions become. 6. Depending on only one source of income. If your salary is your only source of income, then your financial security depends on one paycheck. That's a risky position to be in. Over time, try to build additional income streams through skills, freelancing, a business, investments, or other opportunities. Multiple income streams provide greater stability and financial freedom. Chasing get-rich-quick schemes. Double your money, guaranteed returns, zero risk. If you hear promises like these, be extremely careful. Every legitimate investment carries some level of risk. Before investing your hard-earned money, take the time to understand how it works. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Conclusion. Wealth is not built overnight. It's built through small, consistent financial decisions made over many years. The choices you make today can completely change your financial future 10 or 20 years from now. So remember one simple rule. Pay your future first and your lifestyle second. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.